the year 5 from Barncroft Primary School, and we decided to make our apple pie on the topic of quicksand. Quicksand is a coloured hydrogel made up with fine granular materials such as sand, silt or clay.
Quicksand forms in standing water as the loose particles become saturated in the water.
This means that the particles lose their strength, allowing things to sink through the quicksand.
When you look at an area of quicksand, it will appear solid, but someone standing on it will begin to sink. Quicksand itself is harmless to animals, but as that animal sinks, it will be unable to breathe once under the surface.
If the animal panics and moves quickly, it will sink faster. The best thing to do is to lie on the surface and swim slowly across to the side.
Quicksand is often used in fiction and films such as Wreck-It Ralph, the 2012 Disney film. Fix-It Felix and Sergeant Chase Ralph in his space vehicle. Ralph crashes into a candy cane and gets into the Nesquik quicksand.
The 1995 adventure fantasy film Jumanji is a very popular film. What would happen if a board game came to life? In this clip, the family who are playing the board game begins to sink as the floor turns into quicksand.
A group of scientists asked for Tarzan's help in the 1945 film, Tarzan and the Amazons. As the film ends, the lead scientists with the stolen artefacts are backed into a muddy quicksand bog in which they sink and die. Obviously, films don't use real quicksand for filming, it would be too dangerous, so they use corn flour type solution. And this is what we will be using to make our own quicksand. So we mixed 4 cups of water to 5 cups of corn flour.
We mixed up the solution in a plastic bowl so that when we test our quicksand, things won't get smashed.
The finished mixture has a consistency of honey. I slowly lowered my hand into our quicksand and my hand sank in.
But I decided to thump the quicksand quite hard with my fist. As I hit the quicksand, it almost felt solid.
Quicksand is a non-Newtonian liquid as it doesn't follow Sir Isaac Newton's law of viscosity. It is liquid or solid depending on the pressure applied to it.
Look, I don't like the smell of it. No, I don't. Oh, you're going to get it right and eat it. What? We already have. You gave me! Not anymore. Dylan is working!
With that thought, back to the studio.